Okay, this one. Before we answer this one, let's talk about this. Alright, it's all about family. Family แปลว่าอะไร?
ครอบครัว
Okay. By the way, how many are you at home?
4
4. Okay. Who do you live with? Who do you live with? แปลว่า do you live with your mom, your dad, grandma, grandpa? No?
Father me Father
Brother.
Mom
Okay. So you are 4. All right. Okay. So what do we call this one or this person in English? What do you think?
Mom
Mom. แปลว่าอะไรนะ? How do you say
แม่
mom in Thai? แม่ Okay. แม่ Alright. So this is mom or mother. What about this?
Father
Father. Okay, very good. How do you say father or dad in Thai? Dad แปลว่าอะไร? อะไรนะ?
พ่อ
พ่อ ใช่ไหม? Oh, okay. Another one. What about this?
Brother
There are 2. What do you call this one?
Brothers
Brothers. Okay. Alright. Brother แปลว่าอะไรนะ?
พี่ชายน้องชาย
น้องชาย
พี่ชาย
พี่ชาย okay. What about this one? Another.
Sister
Sister แปลว่าอะไรนะ?
น้องสาวพี่สาว
พี่สาว Okay.
Yeah.
Alright. Another one. What about this?
Grandfather
Grandfather or grandpa แปลว่าอะไรนะ?
ปู่
ปู่ นะ แล้วก็เปอ papa ใช่ไหม? ปู่ grandfather ใช่ไหม?
Yeah.
Okay. What about father? How do you say father in Thai? Father แปลว่าอะไรนะ? How do you say father or daddy in Thai?
พ่อ
ป้า father แปลว่า ป้า แล้วก็อันนี้ grandfather or grandpa แปลว่า ปู่
Yeah.
Okay. Another one. What about this?
Grandmother
Grandmother or grandma.
Grandma
Again?
Grandma
Grandma. Okay. แปลว่าอะไรนะ?
คุณย่า
Oh, okay. Do you have grandparents? แปลว่า grandma or grandpa? มีไหม?
Yes
Where are they? Where are they? Where do they live?
Another twins
In where? ที่ไหน?
ลำปาง
Lampang. Oh, okay. So do you visit your grandpa or grandma?
Yes
Yes. Okay. How often do you go to your grandparents? Around once a month or once a year? แป๊บนึงนะ How often do you visit your grandma? A month ใช่ไหม Once a month ใช่ไหม One in a month?
Yeah.
Yes, once a month. Okay. All right, so let us practice. So can you still remember who are these people? All right, this one. What do you call this one again?
Mother.
Mother. What about this?
Father.
Father. Lako. Ani?
Sister.
Sister.
Brother.
Brother. Okay. And grandmother or grandma. What about this?
Grandfather.
Okay, grandma or grandfather. Grandpa or grandfather. Okay, so who can you see in this picture? Is it grandpa, dad, or mom?
Dad.
Dad. Okay. Another.
One.
Is it sister? Okay, sister. Another. Is it one, two, or three?
Two.
Two, grandma or grandmother. By the way, how old is your grandma? How old is your grandma? Tawa.
I don't know.
Oh, you don't know?
I don't know.
Okay. What about grandfather? You don't know yet? How old is your grandpa? You don't know too?
No too.
Oh, okay. Lako ani. What is this? This is
Mom.
mom.
Yeah.
Okay. What about this one?
Brother.
Brother. Okay. All right. So those are family. Okay. Next one is, let's talk about these are. Okay. So we will guess again. So let's guess about sea creatures pewa, sea animals. What are the sea animals that you know?
Seahorse.
Yes, seahorse. Okay. So we, all right, octopus, seahorses, right?
Yeah.
Yes. Okay. So we all know
Fish.
that yes, there are lots of
Dolphin.
animals that lives in the sea, such as dolphin, whales, shark, seahorse, tama? Fish.
Yeah.
Okay. All right.
Turtle.
Yes, turtle. Okay. So can you follow the clues to work out which sea animals is being described? Right. So I will click the bubbles to reveal the clue. And guess what sea animal is it? Okay.
Yeah.
All right. But you have here choices. All right. First one is I lay eggs. They lay eggs. Tawa alay na? They lay eggs. Tawa. Chanwang Kai.
Oh yeah.
Okay. Another one, I breathe air. They breathe air. Okay. Another one. They have a hard shell. And what am I?
Turtle.
Turtle. I am a sea turtle. Okay, very good. Okay, so sea turtle lays eggs. Okay, another one. I run sideways. I have 10 legs. I have 2 claws. What am I?
Crab.
Crab. Do you eat crab?
Yeah.
Okay.
No.
No. All right. Okay. Another one here. I can change color to hide. I can squirt ink. I have 8 arms. What am I?
Octopus.
Octopus. Okay. So octopus change color to hide. Tama?
Yeah.
They change colors. Okay. Very good. Another one. I have 8 fins. I have very sharp teeth. My head is shaped like a hammer. What is that?
Hammer.
Hammerhead shark. Okay. Because it looks like a hammer. Tama? The head looks
Yeah.
like a hammer. Hammer แปลว่าอะไรนะ
Corn.
Okay. แล้วก็ it has 8 fins. Alright. It is a hammerhead shark. Next one. What about this one? I don't have a brain. My tentacles can sting. I am very squishy. Squishy แปลว่าอะไรนะ Squishy แปลว่านุ่ม Okay, I am very squishy.
Jellyfish.
Jellyfish, all right.
Jellyfish.
Okay, very good. So jellyfish don't have a brain. Brain แปลว่าอะไร ไม่มี brain แปลว่าอะไรนะ Alright, แล้วก็ jellyfish are very squishy. What about this one? I have a flat body. Okay, flat body แปลว่าอะไรนะ I flap my fins like wings to swim. I can grow very big. What is this?
Manta ray.
Manta ray. Okay. All right. Next one. What about this? I am a type of fish. I am very poisonous. I can puff myself up like a football. What fish is that?
Puffer fish.
Puffer fish. แปลว่าอะไรนะ What is a puffer fish? ปลาปากกระเป้าใช่ไหม
Yes.
Yes, okay. แล้วก็ alright, so puffer fish is poisonous. Poisonous แปลว่า poisonous แปลว่าอะไร เป็นพิษ Okay.
เป็นพิษ
Poisonous แปลว่าอะไร ร้ายแรง ร้ายแรง ไม่รู้ Okay, poisonous. Alright. It is a puffer fish. Another, what about this? I like to jump in and out of the water. I breathe air. I have 5 fins. What is that?
Dolphin.
Dolphin. All right. So dolphin likes to jump in and out from the water because they wanna breathe air. Right? And dolphin have 5 fins. What about this? I am orange with black and white stripes. I live in the sea. I am a type of fish. What is this?
Clownfish.
Clownfish. Okay, clownfish.
Clownfish.
Okay, very good. Another one. I am very small. I have a curly tail. I am named after a farm animal. What is that?
Seahorse.
A horse. Okay. It is named after a farm animal, which is a horse. Okay. It is a seahorse. Right? No more. Let's go to another one. This. Okay. All right. What am I? Pets. Pets pa wa alin na?
Sat.
All right. Me pets my at home.
Yeah.
Yes. What are the pets you have at home?
Fish.
Fish. Okay. What else? Only fish? No more? Only fish, syeme? Fish only. May need dogs, cats, rabbit, chicken, syeme?
Yeah.
Okay. So pets can be a turtle, can be a cat, dog, fish, or rabbit, or a monkey. Can be?
No.
No, all right. Okay. So can you follow the clues to work out which pet is being described? Okay, let's start. First one, me 4 legs. They like to go for walks. They bark. What is that? Barkแปลว่าอะไรนะ They are barking. Bark. They bark.
พวกเขาเห่า
พวกเขาเห่า
Dog.
Dog. All right. That's a dog. Another. What about this one? They have a long hair. They hooves. They have hooves. They gallop. What is that? What are the animals that has a long hair? Loko. I have hooves. แปลว่า ฉันมีกีบ ฉันมีขีด แล้วก็ I gallop แปลว่าอะไร ฉันควบม้า Yes. What is that? They have a long hair. แล้วก็ they have hooves. And I gallop. ฉันควบม้า I have hooves แปลว่าอะไร ฉันมีกีบ ฉันมีขีด
Sheep.
Yes. ฉันมีกีบ ขีด
Sheep.
What is that? ฉันมีขีด me long hair. ฉันมีขีด แล้วก็ What is that? I gallop. ฉันควบม้า What is that?
Zebra.
Is that a zebra? Horse. Yeah. They have a long hair. แล้วก็ I have hooves. ฉันมีขีดแปลว่า yes. แล้วก็ I gallop แปลว่า โอเค I gallop ฉันควบม้า Okay, I don't know. All right, another one here. I move very slowly. What animal is that? They move very slowly. They eat fruits and vegetables. They have a hard shell. What is that?
Turtle.
Turtle. Turtle or any tortoise. Okay, or tortoise. Tortoise. Okay.
Turtles.
Tortoise. All right. Tortoise
Turtle.
and turtle are bit different. It says here that tortoise, it has a hard shell, and yep, tortoise lives on land. The turtle lives on the sea. All right. Tortoise lives on land. All right. That's only the difference. Another one here. I have whiskers. I have sharp claws. I purr. Whiskers แปลว่า whiskers. I have whiskers. ฉันมีหนวด And I have sharp claws แปลว่า ฉันมีกรงเล็บที่แหลมคม แล้วก็ ฉันส่งเสียงกรี๊ดอย่างแมว What is that?
Cat.
Cat. Okay. Cat. I am a cat. Another one. I have scales. What do you mean by scales? ตาช่าง I have scales. And I have fins. I live in water. This is a sea animal. I have scales. I have fins. Fins แปลว่า ฉันมีครีบ ฉันมีครีบ Okay. What is that? มี scales. ฉันมีครีบ แล้วก็ they live on water. They live in water.
What do you mean skill?
Again? Scales แปลว่า ฉันมีตาช่าง ฉันมีตาช่าง ฉันมีตาช่าง
I don't
แล้ว
know.
ก็ I have fins. ฉันมีครีบ ฉันมีตาช่าง แล้วก็ฉันมีครีบ
I don't
They
know.
live in water. What is that? Goldfish. Right? Goldfish. Okay. Are your fish at home? Are goldfish or not? Oh, อันนี้ ปลาที่บ้านของคุณเหมือนกับปลาทองหรือเปล่า
No.
No. Okay, what are the colors? What color are they?
Many color.
Oh, okay. Such as What color are they? Are they blue? Are they red, orange,อะไร?
I have no idea.
Ah, your fish at home, ใช่ไหม?
Yeah.
What are the colors of your fish at home? Okay?
Yeah.
Yes. Me fish at home, ใช่ไหม?
Yeah.
Yes. What are the colors of your fish?
Black.
Black. Black fish.
Red. And gray.
And gray. Oh, really? Me gray fish, ใช่ไหม?
No.
Gray and black, ใช่ไหม?
Many color.
Oh, okay. ไม่ใช่ orange ไม่ใช่ red ใช่ไหม?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
One fish is many color.
Really?
Yeah.
How many fish do you have? How many fish do you have? 5? Do you have 10? How many อะไรนะ? How many fish do you have? แปลว่า มีปลากี่ตัว?
Yes, many fish.
Oh, where do they live? Where do they live? อะไรนะ?
In the water.
In the water. Do they live in aquarium? ใช่ไหม?
No.
No. Where do they live? อันนี้ พวกเขาอาศัยอยู่ในตู้ปลาหรือเปล่า?
No.
No. So where do they live? Where did you put your fish? พวกเขาอยู่ที่ไหน? In the pond? In the river? พวกเขาอยู่ที่ไหน? Where are your fish?
In the water.
In the water. Okay. แป๊บนึงนะ Are อะไรนะ? Are they in พวกเขาอยู่ในสระน้ำหรือเปล่า? Are they in the pond? Pond แปลว่า พวกเขาอยู่ในสระน้ำหรือเปล่า? Okay, where are they? No. So where are they? Are they in the river? Wait. Are they in the river? พวกเขาอยู่ในแม่น้ำหรือเปล่า?
No.
No. Where are they? Where are your fish?
I have no idea.
You have no idea. You don't know how we call this in English, ใช่ไหม?
Yeah.
Okay. Alright. ไม่เป็นไรเนอะ? What about this one? I have a long tail. I am very fast. Yes, it's very fast. Loko, it has a long tail. Tail แปลว่าอะไรนะ
หาง
Okay. And it is usually green or brown. Yes. It's usually green or brown. Loko, it is very fast and has a long tail. What is that? Uh-huh. What is that? Can you think of an animal who has a long tail? Loko, it is very fast and usually green or brown color. What is that? Ani? Tawa. Lizard. Lizard แปลว่าอะไรนะ
ตุ๊กแก
Okay. Where can you see a lizard? At home.
Yes.
At home or in the forest. Okay.
Yes.
Another one. I can be very colorful. I can talk. I have wings. So therefore, if this animal has wings, so it can fly. It is very colorful. I can talk. And me wings. What is that? What type of bird is that? Maybe they live in the forest or in the jungle. What is this? It is very colorful. Can you think of an animal which is very colorful and it has wings? Or can you think of a bird who is very colorful? It has blue, it has red, it has orange. What else? It has yellow. What bird is very colorful? Any alike? It has wings, so it is a bird. Siya
Yes.
Parrot. Parrot. Siya But this
Parrot.
is, yes, parrot. But this is not the actual color of a parrot. Parrot is, parrot. What is the color of a parrot? Parrot. 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 Okay, so this is a parrot. Siya colorful.
Oh,
Right?
yes.
Me red, orange, loko, blue, white. Alright, so this is colorful.
Yellow.
Colorful, pawa alay na? Colorful, pawa alay? Alright, so these are parrot. Oh, ani, beautiful parrot. Oh, alright. Parrot, pawa alay?
Okay.
Okay. Okay. So let's go to okay. Ito na. What about this? Right? Next one is I squeak. I eat hay. I live in a hutch. What am I? I squeak.
ฉันรับสารภาพ
I eat hay.
ฉันกินหญ้าแห้ง
Okay. แล้วก็ I live in a hutch. แปลว่า
ฉันอาศัยอยู่ในกระท่อม
What is that? They eat hay. They squeak. Squeak แปลว่าอะไร? What is that? I live in a hutch. อันนี้แปลว่า guinea pig ใช่ไหม guinea pig แปลว่าอะไรนะ
Pig.
guinea pig
I don't know.
guinea pig แปลว่า
หนูตะเภา
หนูตะเภาใช่ไหม
Hmm.
Alright มีหนูตะเภา in Thailand. Do you have guinea pig in Thailand?ไม่มี
I don't see.
Okay. Alright. Next one. Alright. Give me 3 or name 3. Alright. So can you think of 3 things in each category? Alright. So name 3 cold foods. Yeah. Can you name 3 cold foods? Yes. Ice cream. Right? What else? Okay. Cold foods, ice cream, what else? Ice lollies. Ice lollies แปลว่า
โรลลี่น้ำแข็ง
lolly น้ำแข็งใช่ไหม Ice lollies. Okay.
โรลลี่น้ำแข็ง
lolly น้ำแข็งใช่ไหม Cold foods, what else? มีไหม No more? What about this one? Places to swim. Where do you swim?
See.
In the sea ใช่ไหม Places แปลว่าอะไรนะ